Welcome to today's English listening practice. Today, we are going to learn common words and phrases we use when we go grocery shopping. Listen carefully. Sam, are you free? I am making a grocery list. Can you help me?
Yes, Mom. I would love to help. What do we need to buy?
First, check the kitchen. Do we have enough milk?
No, Mom. The milk carton is almost empty. We need milk.
Okay, I am writing down milk. What about fruits and vegetables? Do we have apples?
We have 2 apples, but they are not fresh. We should buy some fresh fruits. Let's buy apples and bananas.
Great idea. Fruits are healthy. I will add apples and bananas to the grocery list.
Do we need vegetables too?
Yes, we need onions, potatoes, and a pack of fresh spinach. Let's practice some words. Repeat after me. Grocery list. A list of food and things you need to buy. Fresh. Food that is new and good to eat. Carton. A plastic or cardboard box for milk or juice. Now, Mom and Sam are inside the car. Mom is driving the car to the supermarket. Let's listen to their conversation.
Mom, please remember to buckle your seatbelt. Safety is very important when we drive.
Oh, thank you for reminding me, Sam. My seatbelt is buckled now. Is your seatbelt fastened tightly too?
Yes, Mom. My seatbelt is on. We are ready to go. How long will it take to reach the supermarket?
The supermarket is not very far from our house. If there is no traffic, it will take about 10 minutes.
Look at the road, Mom. The traffic is a bit heavy today. There are many colorful cars, big buses, and motorcycles on the street.
Yes, the road is crowded. That is why I am driving slowly and carefully. It is important to follow the traffic rules and watch the speed limit.
Mom, do you know where to park the car at the supermarket? The parking lot is usually very full on Saturdays.
Don't worry, Sam. The supermarket has a very big parking lot. Sometimes we have to park a little far from the entrance, but we always find a parking space.
That is fine. If we park far away, we can walk more. Walking is good exercise for our legs.
Now, Mom and Sam are inside the supermarket. It is big and clean. Sam is pushing a large shopping cart.
Wow, Mom. This place is huge. There are so many rows and shelves. Where should we start our shopping? Let's go there.
Let's look at our list. The first section on our list is the produce section. That is where they keep all the fresh fruits and vegetables. It is right at the front of the store.
Look at all these beautiful colors. The apples look very bright red, and the bananas look perfect.
Yes, they look very fresh. Sam, can you please pick 5 large red apples? Make sure they are hard and smooth, not soft.
Yes. This bunch has 6 yellow bananas. They are not green, so we can eat them today. Should I put them in a plastic bag too?
No, bananas do not need a plastic bag. Their skin protects them. Just put them directly into the shopping cart.
Now, Mom and Sam have almost everything in their shopping cart. They only need one last thing. Let's listen.
Look, Mom. Our shopping cart is almost full now. We have everything we need.
Yes, Sam. You helped me pick everything so fast. Let me check the grocery list one last time. We still need a pack of fresh spinach.
Mom, I am looking at the vegetable shelves, but I do not see any spinach here. The shelf is completely empty.
You are right, Sam. I don't see it either. Let's look around for someone who works here.
Look over there, Mom. The shopkeeper is standing near the counter. He is wearing a green store uniform. Let's go and ask him. Excuse me, sir. Good afternoon. Can you help us, please?
Hello. Good afternoon. Yes, of course. How can I help you today? Did you find everything okay?
We found almost everything, but we cannot find the fresh spinach.
Yes. Do not worry. We have plenty of fresh spinach. Actually, a new delivery truck arrived just 1 hour ago. We have fresh green vegetables in the back room.
Thank you so much, sir. That is very kind of you.
Great job! You finished today's English listening practice. You learned words like grocery list, shopkeeper, aisle, and checkout. Watch this video again, practice the dialogues, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Shukriya!